So, I got something super cool for you today, Victor.
Oh yeah? I am totally ready. What is it?
Okay, so welcome everyone to the Serena English Podcast. I'm Serena, and with me is the always knowledgeable Victor.
Hello everyone. So excited to be here.
Today, we have a really important topic for beginners. We are going to talk about our daily routine.
Yes, this is so useful. You use this vocabulary every single day. It's fundamental.
Exactly. So I'm going to be super curious and I'm going to ask you, Victor, all about your day. Are you ready?
I am an open book. Let's start with the morning.
Okay, the morning. What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. The alarm rings and I open my eyes. That is to wake up.
Right, just open your eyes. So, do you get up immediately?
No, I don't. I stay in bed for about 10 minutes. I check my phone, look at messages. Then I get up. So get up means to get out of bed.
Okay, that's a good difference. Wake up, then get up. I do that too. So you're out of bed. What's next?
First point, I go to the bathroom. I always brush my teeth first, and then I wash my face.
Brush your teeth, wash your face. Got it. Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, absolutely. I take a quick shower. It helps me to feel awake and fresh.
Fresh. Okay, so after the shower, you get dressed?
Exactly. I get dressed, I choose my clothes for the day. If it's cold, I wear a sweater. If it's warm, a t-shirt. Simple.
Wow, you're very organized. I never know what to wear. Okay, so you're clean, you're dressed. Is it time for food?
It is. It's breakfast time. I go to the kitchen and I make breakfast.
Ooh, tell me everything. What do you have for breakfast?
Well, I usually have something simple, like toast with jam or maybe some yogurt with fruit. And always a big cup of coffee.
Coffee is very important, I agree. Right, so you eat breakfast and then you leave for work.
Almost. After breakfast, I pack my bag. I put my laptop, my notebook, and my keys in my bag. Then at around 8:30, I leave the house.
And how do you get to work? Do you drive?
Sometimes I drive, but usually I take the bus. It's easier, I can read or listen to music on the bus.
That's a great morning routine. Okay, so let's move on. You arrive at work. What happens then?
Okay, I usually start work at 9 a.m. The first thing I do is check my emails and make a to-do list for the day.
A to-do list. Very organized. So you work, and when do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1 p.m. I often bring my lunch from home, like a sandwich or a salad. It saves money.
That's smart. And do you take a long break for lunch?
I take a break for about 30 minutes. I eat and sometimes I go for a short walk if the weather's nice. It helps to clear my head,
A walk. That's a great idea. So after lunch, you go back to work?
Yep, I work until 5 p.m. The afternoon is usually for meetings and finishing my projects.
Okay. 5 p.m. The workday is finished. What's the first thing you do when you finish work?
I tidy my desk, I put everything away, then I say goodbye to my colleagues and I leave the office.
Right. Okay, this brings us to the evening. So you're on your way home.
That's right, I take the bus home. I usually get home around 5:45 p.m.
And what do you do when you get home? Do you relax immediately?
First, I change my clothes. I put on something comfortable, like sweatpants and a hoodie. Then I start thinking about dinner.
Oh, dinner. Do you cook every night?
I try to. I cook dinner most nights. I like cooking. It's relaxing for me. I often make pasta or a stir fry with vegetables.
Yum! So you cook dinner, you eat dinner. What about after dinner? What do you do to relax?
After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then it's time to relax. And another thing, this is really my favorite part of the day.
Okay, tell me, how do you relax?
I usually watch a TV show or a movie, or sometimes I read a book. I sit on the sofa and just chill out.
Chill out. I like that phrase. It just means relax, right?
Exactly. To chill out means to relax and do nothing stressful. You can also say unwind, like I need to unwind after a long day.
Unwind. Got it. So, what time do you usually go to bed?
I try to go to bed around 11 p.m. Before I sleep, I get ready for bed. That means I brush my teeth again and put on my pajamas.
And then you go to sleep?
Yes, I get into bed, maybe I read for 10 more minutes, and then I turn off the light and go to sleep. And that's my day.
Wow, that was absolutely fantastic. Thank you for sharing all of that, Victor.
You're welcome. I think it's a great way to see how all the vocabulary connects, from morning to night.
Totally. So, for our listeners, let's do a quick recap of some key phrases. We had wake up and get up.
Right, and brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed.
Then, for meals, we say have breakfast, have lunch, and have dinner or make dinner.
And for work, we go to work and leave the office. And for relaxing, we can say relax, chill out, or unwind.
Perfect. So, a challenge for our listeners. Try to describe your daily routine. You can write it down or say it out loud. Just a few simple sentences.
That's a fantastic idea. Practice is the most important thing, and it helps you remember the new words.
Absolutely. Well, that's all the time we have for today on the Serena English Podcast. Thank you so much for listening.
Thanks, everyone. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Goodbye.